Hello, I'm Danielle, and this is Enhancement 9 activity. Um, so this is, um, first of all, I'm going to move to my upload. I'll click here just to show, like, the thumbnails are not showing up. So I'm going here, and I'm going to move to my upload directory. I'll choose a product. I'll choose Active Rocket. I'll choose a file. And I'm going to upload, and here are this is the real image size and the thumbnail size. I can also see here that both were added to my database, to my image table. I'm going to move to Rocket, and I got here my thumbnails too. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching.